Alaikum, Sheikh.
Salamtullah.
Yes, sir. Sheikh, I have a problem. Like, on the situation whereby my younger sisters are married, or the Muslim sisters in their parents' house. There are some Muslim sisters that are still in their parents' house, and so I don't have anything. I don't have. I'm not married, and I'm not in my parents' house. So Satan keeps justifying my situation by violating their honor, criticizing them, and bad-mouthing their affairs for me to feel better than them. So see, and I noticed that people don't really like it. Like even the Muslim sisters are a little bit distance away from me, and it is normal because I keep getting these whisperings of violating their honors or their parents' honors, or keep criticizing them that they are sinful. They are with parents that deals with sorcerers. They are with parents that deals with ribas or are sinful. Just for me to feel better in my own skin, and this is a little bit disgraceful to.
This is a sign of arrogance. Just to be fine with your own skin does not justify you labeling people, slandering them, looking down at them, and trying to justify your own weakness or shortcomings and flaws by criticizing them. This is not permissible. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, لن يدخل الجنة من كان في قلبه مثقال ذرة من كبر. He who has an ant's weight of arrogance in his heart will not enter paradise. And this is why the Salaf, the way they look at themselves is always resenting themselves compared to others, but they don't show it to the others. So if I see someone who's young, I would envy him and say, MashaAllah, he's young. He did not make all the sins that I have done. And when I see someone who's older than me, I say, MashaAllah, he's older than me. He has much more good deeds than me. This is the way we balance things. But I don't go around telling people, listen, I have sins and I don't have good deeds. No, this is for me how to look at myself. To go and look down at people and resent them. They deal in riba, they live with their parents, they do this, they do that, so that I would be fine with myself. This is totally haram.